sometimes when you don't want to talk and you just be feeling antisocial, that's what we got next. Antisocial by NBA Youngboy. I ain't even finna take DJ Ghost intro. Psych! Let's get it, nigga. Okay, I'm already hearing this. I'm like, King of the Jungle type. I'm already seeing the flow he going for. So you feel me? I feel like Slime Cry is just a mixture of all his sounds together. And that's what we get with this album, which I feel like a lot of his albums are, but this is just his new sound. It's his newer sound. You feel me? A new era of YB. So let's see what this melodic tone. I feel like it's gonna be more melodic, but you never know. YB always surprises and shit like that. He'll talk about killing on the softest beats. Slime. Killed it. But no, I don't think. Nah, this doesn't give me killing vibes at all. This doesn't give me killing vibes at all.
1980 shit, pressing on the highway. Come here, how you doing, sis? Let's go back to my. Tryna tell you that I'm selfish, I won't do this if it ain't my way. I'm finished with my tour for the jet, I lose back to Norway. We'll be popping bottles to the side, come on. We tryna run my bottles to the plug, slow. This time you see them things are not that funny anymore. Excuse me if I'm making this I social. I drunk so much and laid them overdosing. I ain't with that trolling liquid out of.
Ooh, this might be, hey, this mug is a hit. This mug a hit right here.
Like you know me, anti-doses. I'm the dope with the boy and fall the piece. We'll kick the dog quick, make him hit the floor, and I want all that shit. Right now, sold out my arena, bitch been giving size. Told all these bitch up like Joe Zaza. I'm on the bed, I'm on problems, I'm just watching fall down to my leg. She say, I ain't gonna work, you ain't saying I want me. Why I accept and start to cry when you leave. I'm a thug and I'll fight that boy for your love, I can beat him. I can beat him all off and all unnecessary girls, I delete down. Ready up, we'll be popping bottles to the side, come on. I'm trying to run my bottles to the plug, slow.
I ain't gonna back one on. Like, this song's making me feel real good. Making me feel real good. Let me make sure I show y'all this one. Let me make sure y'all, hey. Make sure when y'all listening to y'all Youngboy and y'all listening to y'all, you feel me? Y'all getting turned and getting into y'all mode or whatever, bro. Don't forget about this right here, bro. Cause this is the most important thing ever. Like, don't forget about it ever. You feel me? Make sure you don't, nigga. Drink your water. Make sure you working out, man. Cause if you ain't working out, bro, and you're not drinking your water, bro, and you're not doing what you need to do in life, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Mind, body, soul, on tears. I like listening to Youngboy too, though. Let's get back to it. Run it back. I'm gonna run it back like 34 seconds. Right here.
I can beat all off and all unnecessary girls, I delete down. Ready up, we'll be popping bottles to the side, come on. I'm trying to run my bottles to the plug, slow. This time you see them things are not that funny anymore. So excuse me if I'm making this I social. Yo, waterfall, I'm ready to smoke these guns. Tell me right now. Now they come my bed and package, I'm draining. Can you charge me up? She say, I ain't gonna work, you ain't saying I need. Girl, why I accept and start to cry when you leave. I'm a thug and I fight that boy for your love, I can beat him. I can beat him all off and all unnecessary girls, I delete down. I want the whole house, furnished by Rick Owens and Silver. I want the cannonball, heavy side by Johnny Get. I wanna pay for those kids to perform for me. I wanna take my own show so I can see. I don't mean to disrespect, dog, ride with me. You ain't gotta take your shit and out the door, cause I'm gonna leave. You don't wanna speak, dog, let it out, so let it out. Now this bitch talking about money, make me mad. Now this bitch talking about that love, right on scene. Showed her what my heart about, now she don't wanna live. 42 verse 16, I fell out on cold things. Hey, that they clowning off, even fell out on both things. I ran it up, we'll be popping them bottles till the sign come up. I be trapping with my bottles till the plug slow. This time you see them things, I'm not that funny anymore. So excuse me if I'm making this antisocial. I'm making this antisocial.
Who said YB's vocal cords was cooked, by the way? Yeah, I'm calling you to the front of the stage right now. You, whoever said YB's vocal cords are cooked, go listen to Antisocial on this album. That's all I'm gonna tell you, and that's all I'm gonna say. This man's very talented, you feel me? And very, you feel me? Very motivated. Cause Antisocial, it's a very beautiful song right there, man. Definitely rock with it. I might have to just like cut the reactions off right here and listen to that one more time, Dolo. Cause I fuck with that song for real. Might have to post my shorty to that. If you got your shorty, post your shorty to Antisocial. What you doing? Why you not posting your shorty to Antisocial? Post your shorty. Yeah. Post your shorty, nigga. Post your shorty. You scared to post your shorty. You little bitch. You little bitch ass nigga, man.